Hey guys, it's Nap.
And it's Jen.
We're going to Santa Cruz right now. We're just giving you guys an update on our vlog today, what it's gonna be, and we'll vlog again when we get there. Bye.
Bye. Guys, we just got here. This is like our first time. It's our first time going together in my car. And yeah, we actually packed snacks and lunch. Like, we just had made like...
No, we weren't prepared for this yet.
Yeah, we weren't prepared. Like, this just happened. We weren't prepared for this. It just happened. Like, we didn't even know we were going to come today, and we did. And we just packed 2 sandwiches, went to 7-Eleven and got ice and a few drinks. Eating. Those are bomb.
No, sideways.
What's on your nose?
Sideways.
What? Papa? So we're gonna walk to the beach and we'll come back to you guys. We like didn't prepare for this, so we're just on beach towels and we have Nap's chair. Thank God he brought his chair. It's so peaceful. This is so nice over here. And then Nap over here. Say hi, Nap. What do you have to say? Nap's quiet. Nap, hold the phone.
Guys, this water is cold.
No, I got used to it.
Heck no. Even though I got kind of used to it, but it still feels cold.
It feels good.
Guys, we're gonna have a lot of videos coming soon, but we're thinking of like try to have good videos and stuff. Content.
So we're just recording on the phone because the camera and the computer, there's like a problem with it.
Yeah.
We're trying to do better quality.
We made another video, but we haven't like edited or nothing.
Yeah.
We just gotta edit and stuff. Starburst. Get them now at the store.
What? Now we're leaving.
Yeah, I know. I got kind of bored. These are... Why you put them?
We just got home and I'd have to deal with this all day.
Let's go. Bro, you guys should come. 1v1v. The best.
No.
The best. Hit the like button, subscribe.
And we'll be posting next weekend too. So what do you want to say, Nap? Okay, bye you guys. Say bye, Nap. 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 Say
I'm
bye.
out. Nope, I'm
Okay,
out.
I said bye for him. Bye, guys.